I go crazy every morning, trying to make just right. I'm supposed to be sitting in the back, you know I like to drive. Ain't gon' lie, the last one make you mad, I damn near wanna try. Anytime that they say one of mine, they gon' know every line. Know what swag, I'm like these bitches, Southwest, see them in they crime. You got bitches who didn't get a penny, speaking on a dime. This the bitch that say she threw with me and this a last.
This seat, I'm not really tripped by it because I'm getting the bucket seat, but I gotta do carpet as well. Water got in. Hopefully none of my electrical shit's fried, ECU, etc. But the car fell off of jack stands, kind of lifted it up way too much while I was lifting up one side. So I mean, as you can see right there, the jack stands fucking got stuck under it. Letting it air out. That way there's not that much trapped inside. And I'm gonna open the hatch right now. That way I can let the back air out. And then the first thing I'm probably gonna do is take out the door cards. After the door cards, I'm gonna go for the seats and steering wheel. I'm probably gonna fucking wait because I don't have the tool. Junior has it. So this is a little update. I have the whole interior ripped apart basically. No seat, no center console, and door cards are gone. So door cards, I'm pretty sure I can just wash them, probably reuse them. I'm gonna try and order the cool looking door cards, the Street Faction ones. I think it's Street Faction. But yeah, center console I'm keeping. I'm gonna just wipe it off. And the passenger seat, bro, I don't know. This is an iffy one. So that circle is my flywheel, but I don't know. I don't know if it's savable, I guess. But my driver's side isn't at all. There's rips and tears everywhere, so gotta get rid of it. But that one has no rips, no tears. I'm guessing the owner before me never had a passenger. Lonely nigga shit, but yeah, hella lightheaded. Probably because of all the fucking mold and shit, but yeah. Yeah, I don't know yet. I'll probably sleep on it. Yeah. So we already got the airbag half off. The other bolt didn't want to come off. So I'm gonna just pull that bitch off, see what happens.
It's just something to do because we can't do nothing besides new motor. As you guys know already, we got a new motor. Well, I don't got a new motor. We got a new motor. And we're just gonna drop that bitch in, and this build is gonna be completely different. Now.
Bitch, I'm turned up in this bitch. Nazo, roll me up a split. Came from the trenches, then got rich. We gon' get more than 10 million in this bitch. Throw up 2 4s and make it 8 cubes.
Alright, yo, so this is day number 2. Just breaking down the motor. And I already fucking shit up. I already lost the bolt. Yeah. So, interior is fully gutted for right now. Some water still got in the other day, so I'm trying to figure out where it's coming from. But quick release is on. All that bullshit in the back still there, but yeah, I'm gonna just take apart the motor, see what I can do for right now. Prep it, check spark plugs, check everything, cylinders, check how much fucking burnt oil there is inside the plenum, all that little bullshit. Probably even take off the wiring harness because it's the automatic wiring harness, and probably upgrade my hoses because I have a Z1 hose kit. And yeah. Just gonna go jump start the car, kinda, just to get the AC running. And I got the fogger running in there. That's just to get all the humidity and the fucking moldy smell out. Fast forward like week, I guess. So we moved the motor from that corner all the way over here because it started raining, so I had to put it on the roof. I have the automatic bearing pulled out already. Did that off camera because it took forever. And then I have the manual pilot bushing in there. And whenever I left my flywheel, the pressure plate inside my car, it got hella rusty. So I was just cleaning it and shit. It's not gonna be perfect, but I'm not tripping, bro. I'm just trying to get this piece of shit running. Yeah. And then I got the thread bearing pressed out already. It's in the car. But now I just have to bolt that up and drop it in and start connecting everything. So I just finished putting on the thread bearing. Fucking mint. I'm gonna grease up all this bullshit. But I think I'm gonna put a little bit more just cause. But yeah, clutch is on. Everything's basically on, ready to go. I'm gonna start taking off the plenum, and then yeah, it'll be ready to drop in basically.
All right, motor's in. We're excited. We wasted a long ass time, but it's cool. It's all worth it. Cause look, got the tranny bolts in. I don't know if you can see over there. Here's a name because somebody else got it. It's cool. Shit happens. But we're almost done.
In like 2 hours.
Hopefully tomorrow we get the shit actually up and running. All he has to do, all we gotta do is buy oil, put the starter in, adjust the clutch, put the battery, fix the horn, bodywork, fender, pull the frame. How you gonna jack it up?
Day number 3, 4, 5.
Come on. Check it. I'm gonna do on fucking Instagram. Ready?
Yeah. Fuck, bro. Here we go. All right, so try number 2. Fix the little issue. Fuck was that? Hey, it starts though.
It's getting better after you try. It sounds better than what it did last time.
It's old gas, that's why it's
Something like that. Nigga, it sounds healthier now. It sounds more like drive the boat, nigga.
Huh? Where's the map in or not?
I'll put it back in.
Got 1,000 pounds for 1,000. Buy them bitches now. First they try to steal my style. Now they trying to steal